Hello, Jerry Kirkpatrick here, and last weekend I was at the Bar Z Summer Bash, which was called When Hell Freezes Over, hence the name of this video. The first thing I'd like to do is thank all of the people that came up and introduced themselves and had a small chat. I really enjoyed that. Many people had their wives there, and we could sit and chew the fat, have a cool drink, and it was something that I enjoyed quite a bit. So if you see me at any event, please come up and say hello. Say you saw me on YouTube, and we'll get it on from there. At the Summer Bash, there were plenty of the guys that you see most often on YouTube. Joe Pazinski was there, Keith Rucker, Keith Finner, and Mr. Pete was there also. The ones that I didn't see, or who were not there, was this old Tony. I don't know that he ever goes to any of these get-togethers. And A-Bomb. He was supposed to be there apparently, but he didn't make it. When you signed in to get your credentials, they gave you a goodie bag with just, I mean, that thing was full. There had to be 8 or 10 different brochures and catalogs and such. There was a Bar Z T-slot cleaner. That's kind of neat. That will be put to use. I have 2 of them that I have to keep track of. This one I'll just drill a hole in, and that will be the daily use. Got a drill from Drill Hog. A stack of well, a flapper and a hard disc and a stainless steel wire brush. Got a small bottle of Anchor Lube. Lots of cozies for your soft drinks. All sorts of different manufacturers put these out. So there were plenty of those to go around. Pens and markers. There's a bottle opener, can opener, keychain, cool, and a brush for the mill or lathe. I picked up a chit. I don't have a tool room, but yeah, I'll find something to do with it. And I got a buffalo chip. Don't find those every day in the city. While I was there, I picked up several stickers from different YouTubers. And if you have a sticker that you would like to send me, I'd appreciate it. I'm going to be making a board of some type. Something I can move around probably, and I'd love to have your sticker on it, and it'll be displayed sometimes when I make a video. There was a garage sale area both Friday and Saturday. I bought most of this stuff on Friday. I got 4 re-ground mills. And it really doesn't matter what the diameter is. This one would be used just primarily for facing off ends of pieces. These I figured I could use for boring out a hole. They all have a radiused end on them. So I can use these for finish boring just prior to reaming a hole. I got a flexible shaft that'll be great for mainly oiling and cooling. It's my spray mist. And I got a diamond nib on a stand for 10 bucks. I got this mainly just for the diamond, so I can start dressing my grinding wheels. And I will probably find something for this. This thing is adjustable in height, so the next time I need to get higher, I can probably use this thing. Almost all day long they had raffle going. You could buy raffle tickets all day long, and I wound up with a real nice Noga. Actually, it's a camera mount, which I've been wanting for positioning my camera over the mill and the lathe, and this thing will come in very handy. So I can mount it here. The neat thing about this, I can make an adapter to go on my camera, and this little part has a hex on it, and it's a quick release, just like on your air hoses. So I can move my camera around, and when I want it stationary, just goes right in there. So this is probably the best thing I came away with at the meet. Okay, that's about it. Don't forget, if you have a sticker, send it to me and I'll display it proudly. If you see me at any meet or out and about, be sure to stop and shake my hand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and I'll see you later.